AI isn't going to replace you, but the way work is changing because of it. That's already messing with how people feel at work. You're expected to use AI, adapt faster, stay relevant, and somehow figure all of that out while doing your actual job. That constant tension, that low-level stress you can't really explain. That's what people mean when they talk about AI anxiety. And the anxiety gets worse when you don't have a clear, grounded way to work with AI. So in this video, we'll break down how to manage AI anxiety and how tools like ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, can be one place to cope, learn, and actually get work done with AI without feeling overwhelmed. But let's pause for a second and understand, what is AI anxiety? AI anxiety is a form of workplace stress caused by the rapid adoption of AI and unclear expectations around how people are supposed to use it. It usually happens because people fear job loss due to automation. They feel uncertain about future skills. They worry about AI making decisions without human control. The risk of data privacy, they see the line between human and machine work fading. And on top of that, 1 in 4 employees use 4+ tools, causing AI sprawl, which is also a big contributor to this AI anxiety. And over time, these concerns translate into anxious behaviors like you avoid AI tools even when they can help. You feel stress watching AI demos. You feel pressure to master AI immediately. If these signs feel familiar, let's look at 4 tips to manage AI anxiety. The first tip is to start experimenting with AI. Grab a simple AI glossary or check out a beginner-friendly course. Just understanding the basics can make a huge difference. Now, try to use these learnings with tools like ClickUp Brain, an inbuilt AI assistant in the ClickUp workspace. It lets you experiment within the safety of your workplace. No more tension on what to do or not. You also need to shift your mindset. See what upside AI can bring and how you can skill up. Instead of worrying about what could go wrong, look at the opportunities AI brings and learn new skills to utilize those opportunities. The way to do that is by making learning visible. Capture what you're exploring in ClickUp docs, so your thoughts, notes, and resources don't stay scattered. Use ClickUp Brain to summarize what you've learned, spot patterns, or suggest next steps, so learning doesn't stay theoretical. Then turn those ideas into action with ClickUp tasks. Break experiments into small, low-risk steps you can actually test, track, and refine over time. This helps you improve your AI skills and learn new things without losing pace. Next, participate in AI communities. Join an online forum or a local group where people talk about AI. Ask questions, share your experiences, and listen to others. Sometimes, just knowing that others have the same questions or concerns can be a huge relief. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to keep stress in check. And when anxiety feels hard, try the 3-3-3 rule. Name 3 things you see, 3 things you hear, and 3 things you can touch. Or use the 5-4-3-2-1 method to ground yourself with your senses. But the fastest way to manage your AI anxiety is to use AI where your work already exists instead of trying to work on it in isolation. That's where ClickUp makes a real difference. Because AI anxiety often comes from overload, too many tools, too much information, and no clear system to hold it all together. ClickUp reduces that stress by giving you a converged AI workspace where learning, experimenting, and working with AI all happen with context. At the center of this is ClickUp Brain. ClickUp Brain helps you generate ideas, draft content, and break work into clear next steps, directly inside your tasks and projects. Because ClickUp Brain understands what you're working on, the output feels relevant instead of random. That relevance matters. It replaces uncertainty with clarity, which is a key factor in reducing anxiety. When information overload kicks in, ClickUp Brain's summarization features help you digest long meeting notes, research, or updates quickly. This lowers cognitive load, one of the biggest contributors to stress and burnout, and helps you focus on what actually matters. And if you're worried about AI sprawl, ClickUp Brain offers multiple LLM models all under one roof, so you don't have to switch tools. As you get more comfortable, ClickUp Super Agents, the world's first AI teammates that give you superpowers to do more than humanly possible, come into the picture. They don't just respond to prompts. They observe what's happening across your workspace, surface what matters, and move work forward automatically, giving you space to focus on judgment, creativity, and the work only humans should do. What makes this especially effective is control. ClickUp lets you decide exactly where AI is used and how much you rely on it. In the end, you don't beat AI anxiety by avoiding it. You beat it by using it on your terms, in your own work, at your own pace. And if you want to overcome your fear of AI, start with ClickUp. It doesn't force you to learn AI in isolation. It lets you use AI inside your real work, where anxiety actually shows up. Sign up for free at clickup.com and get started.